this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. This channel is all about international license exam material and guidance. I'm here again as per your demands with a new video. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And do share it with your friends and colleagues. So let's start the topic.
Dubai Health Authority complete physiotherapy license process charges. Exam fees $240 plus 10,000 PKR tax. UAE Embassy attestation fees 23,000. Jerry Lahore 400 rupees charges. Documents verified fees equals 992 aid plus tax 82,000 rupees. Last step open form, apply letter DA fees 18,000 PKR. Total charges 1,87,000 approximately $700.